All right. Hi again, everybody. I'm going to make one more video and then it's going to be all Ezron from here on out. But I wanted to introduce the stock investing part of this camp. So, once again, mention to you that we run our own businesses. So you're learning today and tomorrow about Jurgensen's Market, the Earwig Cafe. On Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you're going to be learning about our online drop shipping store called Done Merchandise. And then the last component of the Dunn Jurgensen program is investing. And we do that through the Earwig Foundation, which I showed you a graph of a little bit earlier today. But we are going to have you do a little investing on your own, and we do it through a thing called a Marketwatch game. So I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to show you how this Marketwatch game works. So you should have gotten an email from me. You'll need to go to your done email, and I asked you to do that this weekend, so I hope you actually did. And you'll need to log in, and then you'll need to find the game, and all that information should be in the email. I will tell you, you don't have to pay for this. MarketWatch is one of those sites that like has subscription services, and they're constantly trying to sell you stuff. Don't buy anything. You can do this all for free. Okay. So once you get in the MarketWatch game, this is what it looks like. All right. Right here, it says I have $1 million of net worth. That's the amount of money that I have to invest. I gave each and every one of you $1 million. And then if I had bought anything, it would tell me my gains here, my returns here, any cash that I have remaining to buy, any buying power, things like that. Okay. So it's a super simple game. Stock market investing works through a thing called ticker symbols. So what a ticker symbol is, it's usually 3 or 4 letters. They're usually in the name of the company, and that helps them identify that you're buying the stock that you want to buy. So the one that I just had here is NKE, and if I type that in, it says Nike, right? I can type in GOOG. Anybody know what that is? Yeah, that's Google or Alphabet, formerly Google, right? Um, AAPL is Apple. So you get the drift. And if you ever don't know what the ticker symbol is, just go to Google or I use Bing and say, what is the ticker for NVIDIA? Boom, NVDA. Okay. So that's how it works. So now you figure out what stock you want to buy. You type in the ticker symbol, NVDA, and then you go trade. So you can see here NVIDIA was down 2.61% today, down $3.16. I'm going to trade it. Then it brings up this weird little thing. You can either buy or sell short. So buying a stock means you want to hold it and you're going to profit when it goes up. Selling it short means you're going to, it's a long way of saying you want it to go down. All right. You borrow the shares and sell them to somebody else and buy them back later. It's this weird little arrangement. But the bottom line is you're betting for the stock to go down. So if I think Nvidia is going to go up, I'm going to buy it. If I think it's going to go down, I'm going to sell it short. So just for giggles, I'll buy it. And then the way that MarketWatch works is you have a little sliding thing here. You just slide the number of shares you want. So I'll go 1,685 shares and I'll submit my order. Notice as I'm sliding, if I go all the way over here, I've exhausted all of my cash. So this is all that I can do is 169,000. So if you want to buy more than one stock, you want to, hold off and buy half or buy a little bit. All right. So this is a game we're competing against each other. We'll be able to see the scorecard at the end of every day. I hope that you guys will really get into it and you'll really enjoy following it. And there will be prizes at the end for anyone. So we're going to spend most of this morning investing in MarketWatch. We're not going to do a lot of teaching around it. You're going to find something funny about me and Ezron is we like to do this thing called learn by doing. So you're going to start digging in and you're going to go to a bunch of different sites and you're going to ask Ezron a whole bunch of different questions. And because they're self-generated questions, you're going to be learning a ton, right? But if Ezron sat up there and lectured to you for an hour, you'd tune out and you'd be like, this is so boring. I hate school, right? So let's not have you hate school. Let's have you learn by doing. Your goal is by lunchtime today, I want you to have invested your full $1 million. Now, you may say, well, what if I don't think now's a good time to invest? Well, then I want you to short sell something, right? Like if you think the market's going to go down, then find stuff to short sell. But I want you to go through the process of investing and learning. All right. One more thing that I'll show you is Google Finance is a really good site for learning how to invest and for messing around with investments. So go to Google Finance, open up if you are like me and you just wanted to buy Nvidia, open up the Nvidia page on Google Finance and start to read some of the news, compare it to some of their competitors. Here's what the Wall Street analysts are saying, all this kind of stuff. All right. So do a little bit of research. We're only going to have about 2 hours or an hour and a half today to do this. So you're not going to be able to be an investing expert, but by the end of 3 weeks, after watching this portfolio, you will have learned quite a bit. So good luck to you. I always win this competition. Not. I hope to win it this summer. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye.